Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're unable to find the Microsoft Store app on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then next step ay kailangan mo nang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. Then kailangan mo nang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-copy and paste itong keyword na to na winget space install space ito mga kaibigan. Okay? So copy lang natin yan. And then kung paano ba natin ito i-paste. So dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung edit and then click mo lang tong paste and then press mo lang yung enter at wait natin na ma-complete yung install. Alright, so makita mo dito na mga kaibigan yung kanyang details and then next step ay i-type mo lang yung Y key. So press mo lang yung Y and then press mo lang yung enter and ganito siya. Alright, so makita mo dito yung other details naman dito mga kaibigan. And then in hope na na-resolve yung issue. But if you're still having an issue, something else, so ang next step natin pwedeng gawin ay close lang natin tong CMD and then dito lang sa search menu and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung WS reset para ma-relaunch yung Microsoft Store. And then click mo lang tong open and then wait natin mga kaibigan. And so, ibig sabihin, ang WS Resets command key ay para ma-relaunch and then ma-reset yung Microsoft Store. Right? But if still the issue is still not fixed, do this another solution. So, close lang natin dito. And then dito lang sa search menu. And then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then i-click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword sfc space /scan now. So one word yung /scan now and all small letters ito siya. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. And then kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makita mo dito na verification 100% complete. So ang next step ay close lang natin tong CMD and then dito na si start menu and then click mo lang to restart. Yeah, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix can find Microsoft Store app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.